Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2010 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E550. This vehicle comes in Indium Gray Metallic exterior color, 3M protection on the hood, front bumper, and side mirrors. It's a four-door sedan, seats 5 in a white interior color, carrying a 5.5-liter V8 engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission with an all-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on your side mirror. Power front seat controls with your memory seat options, power folding side mirrors, and power windows. You have your speaker and storage space down at the bottom with your rear trunk access. Door panels made up of a black and white leather with a wood grain insert. Both front seats come in a white leather. You have your headrest adjustments. You also have your storage space down at the bottom for both seats. For the driver's seat, you have a couple more options. So you have your extension button for your legs, dynamic seating, as well as your pulsating driver seat. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu selection on the left-hand side. Cruise control just behind with your heated steering just down at the bottom left. Voice recognition and volume control on the right with your gear shifter. Black paddle shifters just behind as well. This vehicle is a push to start. Foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. You have your infotainment screen. This car does come with a backup camera. AM/FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities. You have your navigation screen. So you have your Bluetooth setting. Underneath you have your CD player with your 6 CD slots. You have your phone dials on the right with your heated front seat controls. You have your rear window shade button. Headrest adjustment with park assist. Underneath you have your manual climate control. Cigarette starter with your 2 cup holders. Menu selector. You have your comfort and sport mode with your suspension adjustment accordingly. You can raise your vehicle. White leather wrap center console. Nice storage space. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your moonroof controls, as well as your overhead lighting. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror, as well as your 3-piece, or your 2-piece, sorry. Same with the passenger seat. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle with your dual pane sunroof for the front and rear passengers to enjoy. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, We'll start off with the 18-inch chromed rims on winter tires, color match side mirror with an integrated turn signal, color match keyless entry handle grips, chrome badging along the vehicle, dual exhaust with rear parking sensors. You have your backup camera, powered trunk, large storage space in the rear trunk, all-weather rubber cargo liner with storage compartments on either side, spare tire underneath with access to the rear seats. You have your power button up the top right. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, we have the white and black leather door panel with a wood grain insert, speaker and storage space down at the bottom with your heated rear seat control. Rear seats are in a white leather. You have your collapsible middle seat with your trunk access, storage space at the top with your cup holders, leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats, rear climate control with your storage space and power bank, overhead lighting and handle grips with access to the dual pane sunroof. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of carpeted mats. Going around the right hand side now, you have your shark fin antenna at the rear, gas tank with chrome trim around the windows and along the bottom of the doors. You have your headlights and fog lights with the chromed grille, block heater, and front parking sensors. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.